Tripti, just to sum up, if there were 5 things that you would want to tell anyone and everyone who wants to live a healthy lifestyle, what would those 5 things be?
5 things are: live a simple life. Basics, very important. Number one is, of course, eat in a balance. Don't kill yourself overdoing anything which is not you, which is very important, because when we are falling prey to anything and everything which others are doing and we feel we should also do it, and that may not be something relatable, you have to think about it before you do it. That's very important. And of course, number two is you have to maintain your you have to keep your body happy. It's very important. So the minute you are in a zone where you're sleeping well, you're thinking better, you're much more happier as a person. You're not angry, you're not frustrated, you're not irritated. You know something is not, you know everything is right. The minute you're angry, irritated, frustrated, complaining, or constantly, getting upset about something, there is something which is not harmonious in you. You have to immediately look into it. So that is where your emotional factor comes in.
Yeah.
Of course, we know things like we must sleep. These things is so important. So the third important thing that I would suggest is keep a plan for yourself. Just keep a structure for yourself that, okay, this is what I need, or maybe I'm not so good at this. So there are a lot of people who just are not good at drinking water. It's so simple as that. It's always available to you, but they don't drink water. So simple ways to make them drink water. So you should know, okay, this is my weakness. I don't drink water. So what I can do is every table in my house, I keep a glass of water available to me, so I know I'm going to drink it. Or I'm going to flavor my water if I don't like the taste of it. You put something which is going to be easy, like we have infused waters. I recommend that to a lot of my clients who just say that I don't feel like drinking water. So we give them combinations. So identify what is not correct in you instead of doing what the other person is doing. It's so important. Supplements, a lot of people miss. So something like that is very, very crucial when it comes to your own health and well-being. And besides that, of course, when you are taking any kinds of supplements, first think whether you need it, because this is the time where people are indulging into every pill given to them. Okay, iron भी ले लो, magnesium भी ले लो, zinc भी ले लो. This also is good. That's also good. Homeopathy भी कर लो, Ayurvedic भी कर लो. Do everything. No, you can't do that. So identify what is your need and accordingly supplement. Don't go mindless when it comes to supplementation. That's so important, again, for good health, especially during this time. So supplement sensibly. Only what you need is very important. And of course, the last thing is that, and the most important thing is that always be closely connected to your gut. It's very important. So when I say closely connected, it's like pay attention to the small signs that your body is giving you. That is something that each person needs to stay healthy. A healthy lifestyle. When we say healthy lifestyle, it's not just about doing basics. It's about not neglecting yourself, not ignoring yourself. So many people constantly get a headache, but they don't know maybe it's the gas that is causing it. They just take a pill and forget about it. So many people are getting shoulder pain, back pain, or if they are just having their nails are brittle, they're having excessive hair fall. Unless it's too much and it's causing a problem, you won't talk about it. If there is some hair fall which you're experiencing every day, in your mind is there, but you're not paying attention to it and not taking care of it. So when it comes to healthy lifestyle, these smaller signs are the main key, that where you should listen to your body and respond and act at that time. That's what prevention is all about. That's what nutrition again is prevention. Yeah. Good health and good lifestyle is about paying attention to small details and not allowing them to go out of hand. Minute these small things are taken care of, you will naturally lead a healthy lifestyle. If I have corrected that little acidity immediately, it will not lead to an ulcer tomorrow.
Absolutely.
If you corrected your headache correctly in time, it will not lead to a migraine which is just not getting cured. So every small thing matters. It should be given importance and corrected in time. 100% great health and lifestyle. It's all about that. There's no rocket science to it. There's not going to be any big immunity booster falling from the skies, which is going to completely make us immune or immortal. it's just paying attention to the small things, and they really, really work. And they really make you lead a very healthy, long lifestyle, long life.
So awareness as well as moderation is key. First, being aware of what the problems are, identifying the root causes rather than just ignoring them. And with whatever it is that you're doing, with regard to nutrition, especially moderation is the key.